Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about how to find the units place of 2 power n, 3 power n and 7 power n and 8 power n. Let us see one by one how to calculate the units place of each of these numbers. First is 2 power n. Here n can be any number, either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 2 power 0. You know very well a power 0 equal to 1. Like that here a can be any number. Here a is 2. 2 power 0 is 1. Like that 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square 4. 2 power cube 8. 2 power 4 16. 2 power 5 32. 2 power 6 64. 2 power 7 128. 2 power 8 256. Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about how to find the units place of 2 power n, 3 power n, 7 power n and 8 power n. Let us see one by one how to calculate the units place of each of these numbers. The first one is 2 power n. 2 power n. Here n can be any number, either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. If you substitute n any number, that means 2 power 256. Let us take one example. 2 power 256. When you multiply 256 times, what will be the units place? How to calculate units place of 2 power 256 or 2 power 82? Like that, when you have larger number in the power, how to calculate the units place? Let us see how to calculate the units place of 2 power 256, 82 and so on. Like that, when you have in larger number in the power. Let us see. Let us see the few powers of 2. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64. 2 power 7 is 128. 2 power 8 is 256. Observe here each unit digit. Here 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square units place is 4. 2 power 3 units place is 8. 2 power 4 units place is 6. Like that, see on the right side units place. Here the units place is 2. Here the units place is 2. 2 power 1 units place is 2. 2 power 5 units place is 2. 2 square units place is 4. 2 power 6 units place is 4. 2 power 3 units place is 8. 2 power 7 units place is 8. 2 power 4 units place is 6. 2 power 8 units place is 6. Observe here the units place is repeating after 4 cycles. Now let us see how to calculate the units place of 2 power n. Observe here the table. 2 power 1 units place is 2. 2 square units place is 4. 2 cube units place is 8. 2 power 4 units place is 6. And this table is this units places are repeating for every 4 numbers. Now let us calculate how to find the units place of 2 power n. Let us take one example. 2 power 16. Here the power is 16 and the cycle is repeating for every 4 numbers. Let us divide this power with 4. 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 0. Consider remainder is 0. Here the power is 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have 0 in the powers. So when you got the remainder 0, consider the power 4. Because when you divide with 4, you never get 0. Because if you get 4, you again divide with 1. 4 ones are 4, again you get 0. So when you got remainder 0, you should consider 4 as power. 2 power 4 units place is 6. Hence 2 power 16 units place is also 6. I hope you understood. Let us take one more example, that is 2 power 23. Here the power is 23. Divide the power 23 with 4. Why should we divide 23 by 4? Because the cycle, the units places are repeating for every 4 numbers. So we are considering the 4. So divide 23 by 4. 4 5s are 20. Remainder is 3. Here the remainder is 3. So check 2 power 3 units place. 2 power 3 units place is 8. So 2 power 23 units place is also 8. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 2 power n. Let us take one more example so that you will get clarity. Take one more example. 2 power 18. Here the power is 18. So divide the 18 with 4. 4 4s are 16. 18 minus 16, remainder is 2. So when you got the remainder 2, consider the power of 2. 2 square. 2 square units place is 4. Hence 2 power 18 in units place is also 4. We no need to multiply 2 18 times to calculate the power of units place of 2 power 18. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 2 power n. Next topic is 3 power n. The same concept we have used for 2 power n is applicable for 3 power n also. That is 3 power 1 units place is 3, 3 square units place is 9, 3 cube units place is 7, 3 power 4 units place is 1. Here the same cycle is repeating for every 4 numbers. 3 power 1 units place is 3, 3 power 5 units place is also 3, 3 power 6 units place is also 9, 3 power 7 units place is also 7, 3 power 8 units place is also 1. This cycle repeats for every 4 numbers. When you have like this type of numbers, how to calculate the units place of number we have discussed for 2 power n. So let us discuss the same topic for 3 power n. See this table, 3 power units place is 3, 3 square units place is 9, 3 cube units place is 7, 3 power 4 is units place is 1. The same cycle is repeating for every 4 numbers as 2 power n concept we have discussed. So let us take one example, 3 power 19. When the cycle is repeating for every 4 numbers, so divide the power with 4. Here the power is 19. Divide the power 19 with 4. 4 4s are 16. 19 minus 16, remainder is 3. When you got the remainder 3, check the power of 3 cube units place. 3 cube units place is 7. So 3 power 19 units place is also 7. Even you multiply 3 19 times, you will definitely get the units place is 7. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 3 power 19. Let us take one more example. Next example is 3 power 33. Here the power is 33. Divide the power 33 by 4. 4 8s are 32. Remainder is 1. When you have remainder 1, we have to check the power of 3 power 1 units place. 3 power 1 units place is 3. So 3 power 33 units place is also 3. I hope you are. Here you have to remember the powers units place of 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 power n units place is 3, 3 square units place is 9, 3 cube units place is 7, 3 power 4 units place is 1. You have to remember this table so that you can easily calculate for any number units place. Concept is applicable for 7 power n also. See the powers of 7 power 1 units place is 7, 7 square units place is 9, 7 cube units place is 3, 7 power 4 units place is 1. So the same concept or the powers of 7 is repeating for every 4 numbers. So 7 power 5 units place is 7, 7 power 6 units place is 9, 7 power 7 units place is 3, 7 power 8 units place is 1. Even you want to check the power of each of these numbers, you can check. Let us discuss few examples. The first example is 7 power 21. Here the power is 21, so divide 21 with 4. 4 5s are 20. Hence we got the remainder 1. When you got the remainder 1, consider the power of 7 power 1. 7 power 1 units place is 7. Hence 7 power 21 units place is also 7. You will definitely get 7 power 21 units place 7. Even you multiply 7 21 times, you should get 7 in units place. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 7 power n. Discuss one more example, 7 power 16. Here the power is 16. Divide 16 with 4. 4 4s are 16. Hence we got the remainder 0. When you got the remainder 0, consider the power of 4 because you never get 4 in the remainder because you are dividing with 4. When you divide with 4, you never get 4 in remainder. So consider when you got the remainder 0, the power of 7 power 4 units place is 1. When you have 7 power 4 units place is 1, 7 power 16 units place is also 1. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 7 power n. The same concept is applicable for 8 power n also. Let us see. Next one, 8 power n. This is the last one. 8 power 1 units place is 8, 8 square units place is 4, 8 cube units place is 2, 8 power 4 units place is 6. And this cycle is repeating for every 4 numbers. 8 power 5 units place is 8, 8 power 6 units place is 4, 8 power 7 units place is 2, 8 power 8 units place is 6. Here the same cycle is repeating for every 4 numbers. So divide the power with 4 and consider the remainder when you have remainder in this powers place. So consider the power units place same for the same number. Let us discuss one example. 8 power 8. 8 power 8 units place is what? You have to divide 8 with 4. 4 square, 4 into 4 2s are 8. Hence we got the remainder 0. When you got the remainder 0, consider the power of 4. 8 power 4 units place is 6 and 8 power 8 units place is also 6. When you got the remainder 1, what will be the units place? 8. When you got the remainder 2, what will be the units place? 4. When you got the remainder 3, what will be the units place? 2. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of 8 power n. When you remember this table, you can easily calculate units place of 2 power n, 3 power n and 7 power n and 8 power n. You can easily calculate even you have larger number in the power. By this table, you can easily calculate the power of these 4 numbers. I hope you understood how to calculate the powers of 2, 3, 7, 8. By this we have learned how to calculate the powers of any numbers. In previous videos we have discussed how to find the units place of 1, 0, 5, 6, 4, 9. 1 power n units place will be 1. When you multiply 1 n times, you will definitely get at units place 1. When you multiply 0 n times, what will be the units place? 0. When you multiply 5 n times, what will be the units place? 5. When you multiply 6 n times, what will be the units place? 6. But for 4 and 9, there is a logic. You have to consider the even and odd. When you have power is odd, the 4 power odd will be 4. When power is even, 4 power in units place will be 6. Same for 9. When you have power is odd, 9 power n will be, units place will be 9. When power is even, 9 power even will be, units place will be 1. I hope you understood how to calculate the units place of any number. And can be any number, how to calculate the units place. By this you can calculate for any larger numbers units place. I hope you understood. If you understood this concept, please like it. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.